AC power cord. This 6 feet, 1.8 meters, 18 Aruban Florins flexible laptop power cord with NEMA 1-15P and IEC 60320 C5 connectors is suitable for workstation home office use, rated to carry 125 volts at 10A. Performance and safety. UL listed, UL62 UL817, fully molded strain relief C5 connector for durability, fire rating, VW1, 3 Conductor Notebook Power Cable made with 100% copper wire. Specs. 6 feet, 1.8 meters power cable, NEMA 1-15P to IEC 60320 C5, 18 Aruban Florins, 125 volts 10A, max, jacket rating, SJT, jacket material, PVC, color, black, temperature range, 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 to 60, cable outer diameter, 0.3 inches, 7.62 millimeters. Compatibility. AC power cord NEMA 1-15P works with North American outlets. IEC C5 connector works with most power bricks for laptops, notebooks, monitors, scanners, printers, and more. Replacement laptop power supply cable cord. The IT Pro's choice. Designed and built for IT professionals, this laptop charger cord is backed for life, including free lifetime 24/5 multilingual technical assistance. Top reviews from the United States. Durable and reliable. I had a problem with my laptop cord and I decided to buy this product. I am quite surprised to see the quality of the product. It seems very durable. I'll update my review after some period of usage. All in all, good product, worth buying.